Good morning, everyone. I want to start the day out by saying that I hope you had a great Tuesday. Now I want to concentrate on the comparison chart that we gave you yesterday. I want to start out by talking about Hinduism. There is no single founder of the religion. It's a combination of the beliefs of the early Indus Valley people and the Aryans. Hinduism is built on the caste system. However, after death, Hindus hope to be reincarnated into a higher caste. Hindus believe in a universal soul or God called Brahman. Brahman takes on many forms that Hindus worship as gods or goddesses in their own right. Hindus believe in protecting their own. Some of their religious or sacred books is the Vedas, Ramayana, and Mahabharata. The spiritual goal of a Hindu is to become one with Brahman, which is known as moksha. If you obey Dharma and have good karma, you will be reincarnated to achieve moksha. Now let's talk about Buddhism. It was founded by Buddha Siddhartha Gautama, an Indian prince who sought to eliminate suffering and devoted his life to achieving nirvana. Buddhists do not believe in the caste system. Buddhists do not care if you worship a god or not. It's your choice. Buddhists feel that it is absolutely wrong to take a life. The spiritual goal of every Buddhist is nirvana. Buddhists believe that anyone at any time can achieve nirvana, which is a place of perfect peace and happiness like heaven. Buddhists believe in the Four Noble Truths, which is a four-step path to freedom from suffering. Buddhists also believe in what we call the Eightfold Path. This is part of the Four Noble Truths. Buddhists believe that following the Eightfold Path will help them to reach enlightenment. This will end the cycle of suffering. Last but not least, let's talk about some of the things that they have in common. They both are major world religions. They both begin in India. They both believe in reincarnation, which is the idea that after death, a person's soul is reborn in another form or the person becomes a new version of itself. They both believe in ahimsa, which is a moral principle of non-violence. They both believe in dharma, which is the religious and moral duties of an individual. They both believe in karma, which is all the actions of a person's life that affects his or her fate in the next life. They both are vegetarians. In fact, Hindus consider cows, elephants, and other animals as sacred. They both have spiritual goals. And they both have millions of followers. This concludes the activity from yesterday. I hope you have a great day.